finally got inside. Today on the 30th of October 2021. Here's what was it? What was it division?
I don't know.
It's Paalukylänpolku, so it's Renbystigen, 3 stages.
Yeah.
Got the last one filmed. All 4 are filmed in this relationship. I think. Of course, the staircase A is the best one.
Yeah.
It has a rare panel by Nobel, and it was built in 1997. Turning 25 years old in the next year, 2022. We'll be inspecting in 2023. And of course, you can watch all the staircases in this suspension building. The serial number is 68630. But the favorite, or my favorite, is of course staircase A.
Yeah.
Which is also filmed. And in this area, here in Myyrmäki, Myyrmäki, here in Länsi-Vantaa, Västervantaa, and Helsinki was regionals. In Finland, we have only 9 or 11 left from the 1990s, and 10 from the 1970s left to be filmed later. That means there are 19 or 21 of the wages left in Myyrmäki in total.
Yeah.
That is as far as we know. There shouldn't be anything else anymore.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna try them during the winter also.
Tittpaakki vain sulta, että me ei teet vaikka on.
So I'm trying. This is probably from early 1997.
Yeah.
And out of the 3 other ones here, the staircase D is the best one because it has a green call button on the first floor. I think staircase D was the best one
That's it.
of the other ones.